Laboratory work number 9. Multiple linear regression. In this work, we have to acquire skills of carrying out multi-factor analysis of ecological processes by the method of multiple regression. You can learn the information in your protocol. So, let's begin. As usual, you have to copy your variant. You have to copy your variant from this file and paste your data into new Excel file. For example, variant number 14. What have we to do? First of all, we have to create the X values matrix. To create the X values matrix, we have to copy all our values and paste these values here. But to copy the X value matrix, we have to create also additional column with 1 values. This is necessary for building the matrix according to the method. Because we have to know that during building of the X matrix, the values of 1 should be everywhere. So, we have already built the X matrix. Next, our step is to create the X transpose matrix. According to the method, we have to create transpose matrix, транспонована матрица. Copy and special paste. Вставка. Транспонировать. We can also use специальная вставка. Транспонировать. The same result is obtained. So we have transpose matrix. What is our next step? The final step of all these operations is to determine the A coefficient value for the correlation calculation. The A value should be determined. To determine this value, following steps should be done. We also have to know the Y values. So we also have to know the values of the function. In our case, this is death rate. Okay. Our next way is to multiply our transpose matrix on our X matrix. Transpose matrix by X matrix. we'll obtain the matrix of 6 by 6. 6 by 6. We have to use the function move_nож in this case. How to do it? You have to multiply this matrix correctly. You have to use as follows. First of all, you have to select this empty cell range 6 by 6. Then type мумнож. Матрица умножить. Мумнож. Then we select our transpose matrix, semicolon, and select our initial X matrix. Close parentheses, and then you have to press F2, F2 key. After F2 you have to press simultaneously Shift, Ctrl and Enter. And then we have X transpose matrix on X matrix. So, first of all you have to select empty range, type the input the mumnoj, the name of function, select our X transposed matrix and X matrix. After that press F2 and then simultaneously press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. So we have X transposed matrix multiplied by X matrix. What is our next step? Our next step is to determine the determinant of this matrix. This value should not be equal to 0 and it should be greater than 0. So, determinant. Determinant is calculated by the function mopred. Матрица-определитель. And we select our matrix. This value is not equal to 0 and it is greater than 0. Okay. Our next operation, we have to find the inverse matrix of our matrix obtained due to multiplication of X transpose matrix and X matrix. So we can just write